Into the frog.
Hey, there's nothing straight. Where's the frog? There's someone else. There's someone from the other team.
Dude, is your thing on? Yeah, it is.
They see us.
Exactly.
They see us. That's what they're supposed to do.
I'm just shooting the temporary tattoos.
They're flanking us, guys, from the right.
They're going through the tunnel. I just got chased.
What's the tunnel then?
They're going that way.
Guys, if Chase is there in a tunnel, let's just go. Come on.
Right here.
Dude, stop. Dude, don't waste your ammo.
Dude, I can't even see the paintballs coming out.
Guys, come on, let's go. Advance.
No, not yet.
The table is good.
Advance, come on.
We can.
Why?
Because they're all there.
Well, if they're in the tunnel, then let's just go.
No, we're making our way into the middle. I thought she was talking to me.
I got hit in the knee, but I'm clean. I'm clean, right?
Yeah,
What?
you can.
Yeah, I'm clean.
What happened?
I hit in the knee.
You got hit in the knee?
Yeah, they're right over there. You can.
You got hit in the knee?
Yeah. No, I didn't. It didn't break.
What happened though?
I hit in the knee.
And you're like, your knee is shaking.
Yeah, I know. It's my other knee. I got hit in the other knee, but my other knee's shaking.
Wait, what happened though?
I just got hit in the knee.
Oh, black ankle?
Yeah.
Guys, whenever the ref is looking in the other direction, that's where we shoot. Because he's looking to see when we're at the top. See what I mean?
He said 5 minutes.
I'm sorry.
Oh, I see him. He's right over there. I could get him.
Dude, I can't see out of my mask.
Yep, there he is. I see him now.
Where is he?
Right there.
I see him.
Where is he? I can't see.
Oh, Jack, watch there.
They're moving to the tunnel.
Watch out.
You hit?
Guys, get back! Get back!
Wait, dude, let me see your back. You're clean.
Can
Now you're clean.
Get shot.
Can somebody come here with me and see my mask?
Alex, move. Move, get down. No one come through this door. What?
Yeah, somebody's right here. Guys, let's go back this way. Guys, we won't expect us going this way. Guys, they're not going to expect us. Guys, listen. Let's go around that way. They're not going to expect it.
Michael, come out a little bit.
How much time?
How much time, Raf?
3 minutes then.
Guys, let's go back.
1 minute!
Guys, come here with me back.
Guys, come
Come
on.
move this.
Raf, go! Hit. Eat that, Christian!
Michael.
It's a school thing, though. I think it's a school thing.
Yeah! Guys, come on, now we advance. Let's go.
Suck my freaking balls!
That was Christian was shooting.
You guys want to because I can't see out on that. Guys, we got these plants right here. They're all shooting.
Here, I'm coming there.
We gotta move.
Here, guys, Alex and Justin, you guys go off. Michael and I will go on there. Michael. Michael.
You see that? You see that? It's like,
Yeah.
Just like this.
Oh,
I got a machine gun.
I'm like, what the hell was it?
What?
Hell was it?
They keep fighting. If we